Welcome to Cigars with M. Today's topic is winter cigar maintenance. As we move into the winter, it is important to check on the cigars in your humidor. The air this time of year is drier, which affects the environment of your humidor. Keep in mind, cigars are to be handled with care at all times. In your humidor, check to see if the humidity control pack is hard. If it's hard, change it. Personally, I write the date in which I last added it to keep track, along with checking the hygrometer to see if it needs to be recalibrated. As you check your humidity control packs and your hygrometer, remember to rotate your cigars to ensure freshness. It is recommended that you find a method of rotation that works best for you. I rotate my cigars every 3 months as a quarterly routine. It's important to have a cigar maintenance routine that works, but remain focused on creating the best environment for your cigars.